Each crash has a moment, a mistake, and sometimes a miracle escape or a life-changing injury. Let's break down 8 insane motorcycle incidents. Each one has something to teach you. 1. The panic brake.
The hell's that guy doing? Oh, please, okay. Easy ride! Alright, I'm taking that completely.
His first ride on a sport bike. A random rider flies past. Panic. He grabs the front brake hard. The bike somersaults. 11 ribs, 1 lung, 1 femur, coma. First time on a new machine? Stay calm. Never break in fear.
First time riding a sport bike on a track.
You behind me all right? Yeah. Go wide. First time. You still behind me all right? Yeah. You gotta get your heels off the pegs, Rad. And you gotta get your booty off that bike a little bit. I'm not used to that. Light on the handlebars, move that butt around. There you go. The hell's that guy doing? Easy ride! Are you okay? The hell's that guy doing? Easy ride! Easy ride! You okay? Hell, Rad, are you okay? I'm done. Oh, Rad. Oh, please, okay. Oh. No. Oh, no, Rad.
Two. Road rage shadow. A chill ride turns into a chase. Tailgating, swerving, blocking. He didn't crash. This time, don't play games with clowns. Let them pass. 3. 150 miles per hour. Death wobble. At 150 miles per hour, the front wheel shakes violently. He hangs on, barely. The rider said, "I think it's time for a steering damper." Speed is nothing without control. Fourth blind corner impact. A quiet curve hides a parked car. No swerve, no time, just impact. Always expect the unexpected. Corners hide killers. 5. The left turn trap.
Look at him go, free in a world of his own kind, where he can finally reach the full potential. Oh my God, he got hit by a car!
They were laughing, filming. Then a car turns left, straight into her path. Boom, she flies. Most bike car crashes happen like this. Never trust a left turn. 6. Panic-free escape. Two cars collide right in front of him. No panic, no drama. He glides right through. Control under pressure makes all the difference. 7. The tricycle trap. Out of nowhere, a trike pulls a U-turn. No signal. Mid-road. The rider behind? No chance. Never assume logic on the road. Expect chaos. 8. Red arrow disaster.
Dude, oh my fucking God. Oh, my God. Oh.
The rider explains. Main highway, speed limit 60. Cars doing 70. Then an SUV turns left on a red arrow. He drops the bike. Slides, lives. Always look for your escape. Even when you have the green.
My fucking friend just got hit yesterday. Fuck shit.
Sam, when you were coming?
Obviously not. It's all on here.
Alright, man, just stay laying down.
Truck ran the red light.
I don't want to take your helmet off. Does your back hurt or anything?
Just my right foot. This hand feels kind of numb.
Just don't want to move you at all.
Anywhere? Or something?
He said it's by his bike.
It probably went flying somewhere.
Yeah, he's alert.
He's alert. He's telling him to stay still.
Don't move your head. Don't move your head.
Alright.
Okay? Don't move your head. I'm gonna put my hands right behind your neck, okay?
Alright.
We have to stabilize that head, okay? Don't move. Do you know where you are?
Yeah.
Okay, what's your name?
Dustin.
Okay, do you have any allergies or anything?
No, I'm alright.
Okay.
Every ride is a story. Some leave lessons. Others leave scars. Ride smart. Ride again. Subscribe, because what you learn here might save your life out there.